FireStation Checklist 2.0. In this video, we're going to talk about adding a user. To get to the User tab, all you need to do is, well, find the users. This is on a desktop, so it's going to have two-column view. The fire department data is going to be over here. This is where all your settings are. This is where you're going to find all your reporting. So here's users. When I click users, if you're an officer or above, you'll have these buttons over here. New user, edit the current user, or delete a user. We're going to add a user. It's going to put automatically the date created. You're only going to have access to your fire department. And put in the username. I'm going to put test account. The user ID is actually their universal logon. So this will be that individual's logon for this application. I'm just going to put test in there. The email address is what you're going to want to put in there. That's going to go to your individual. So this is going to go to Mr. Test Account. I'm going to go ahead and put an email address in here. We'll put FireStationChecklist at Gmail. Unfortunately, I think it might already be used. I'll make them a firefighter. That's going to give them access to only what firefighters have access to. Essentially, in a high level, that role can pretty much fill out everything, but can't edit anything. An officer can fill out everything and edit most things. Okay. The views, this is basically what they cannot see. So if you don't want them to see tools, or you don't want them to see login or facility or repairs, or you don't want them to be able to do a new form, that can be specified per user. But we're going to give them access to at least see everything. And then when I'm done, I'm going to click Save at the bottom. What that's going to do is it's going to actually send an email to Mr. Test Account at that particular email address. Now you can view all that information. Oh, and you may have heard a beep in the background. That's my email saying that I just got it. Let's take a look at that. In the email, you are going to see the name. This is the individual. Mr. Test Account is what they're going to see. They're going to see Test Account. They're going to see their user ID, which they will use to log in, what fire department they're with, their role, and the links depending on what kind of platform they're on. It doesn't matter which one you click, but if you're coming from a mobile device, this is going to help them set up that application as an app. But if you are doing it on a browser, like a PC or a Mac or a large tablet that you'd like to use in browser form, you can click that button. Both of these tabs do this similar things. Well, you'll see the same platform, but they do different things based on the type of device you're using. If you have any questions, you may use this email address, support@FireStationChecklist.com. Anytime we get an email, it automatically creates a ticket. It comes to our staff, and we deal with that within 2 hours. So please use it as often as needed.